Happy Tuesday. We're ready to get started on the EVO today. We're going to start prep work. So they got the bag all off the car. The car's uncovered. So they're going to start prepping the primer. We're going to start the repairs on the roof. Alan went out to get some glass bead because we're going to bead down the little corrosion and rust bubble that's on the roof. So they're going to strip that, get that in primer. So let's go see what these guys are doing now. Carlos is currently painting the door handles and the mirrors. So we're gonna go run into the spray booth and catch up with him. I know he was just putting down primer and then some sealer. So let's go see if he's made it to paint yet. Now that we got the handles and the mirrors painted, now we got Chepe. He's gonna start prepping the car. My man right here is ready to start prepping. Everybody's gonna be prepping today. I'm going to be the race car driver. They don't like driving it because it's right-hand drive, so they make me do all the work. I don't really mind though. Let's see if she starts. Oh yes, she does. I got a spot here, a little one there. There, this, here. This little sandblaster works pretty good. So we just did spot blasting right on the little bubbles right where the rust was. Brought it right back down to bare metal. We use Central Pneumatic glass bead, so it's 80 grit blast media. You can get this at Harbor Freight. Super fine, so pulled the paint off no problem. So we're back to pick up the video. I didn't get to upload last night because we just didn't get enough done yesterday on the car. It would have been too short of a video. We had a lot of other little things going on during the day that we had to finish up. So now we're back on the EVO today. We got Jose finishing the prep work. We're gonna get this thing taped up and in the spray booth. We got Carlos laying some color down on this thing. So let's go out there and see what's going on.
Taping.
Mira mi güerito, deja de grabarnos mi güerito.
Yo, these guys, they don't like being on camera.
Hey, what's up? MK all day.
Alright, so we're gonna get the EVO in here. First we gotta soak down the booth, get the floor nice and wet, keep all the dust down. We're gonna get this thing pulled in here.
We have to soak down the boot to keep the dust away from the paint.
I'm charging you, man, for recording, man. She's shaking.
The guy's looking for more Bangkok blue, as if he run out.
No, we didn't run out of Bangkok blue. Still got tons of T73.
Oh, I'm sorry, electric blue.
No, it's not electric, maricon. It's Bangkok. Are you ready, Jose?
We're gonna put some sealer on this thing first, and then we're gonna put the paint on. But I gotta have this mask on. I was pretty up for hours before. I'm gonna tack rack down the car before the sealer goes on.
Let's go, Mexicanos! My man is ready.
That's the painter's secret.
Can't tell anybody.
Alright, so we ran into a little situation. We have a little shortage on clear right now, and unfortunately we aren't able to restock until tomorrow, until we get our delivery. So the EVO is fully in base coat. It's going to sit and rest overnight, and then tomorrow, once our clear delivery arrives, we get that mixed up and lay it down on the car. So we will be back tomorrow, wrap this up, and then we start assembly. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Leave some questions, concerns, whatever you want. Thanks for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.